Good morning, kids. Now let us continue with the reading of lesson 1 of your computer book. What is the name of chapter? The chapter name is Evolution of Computer. Okay. The next topic is generation of the computer. Okay. If you want to know about the history of computer, then you have to know about the generation of the computer. Okay, because the history of the computer development is referred to with respect the different generation of computer. Okay, each generation of computer is marked by a major technological development. Okay, the first is the first generation computer. Beta, look it here, 1949 to 1956. The first generation computer from 1949 to 1956. Okay, the first generation of computer were based upon the use of vacuum tube. This is the vacuum tube. Okay, they were very expensive and big in size. Size में बड़ी है ना बेटा ये. The processing speed was very slow. Okay, the processing speed is very slow. Example of first generation computer is UNIVAC. UNIVAC means Universal Automatic Computer. Universal Automatic Computer. Okay. And ENIAC, Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. Okay, ENIAC was the first computer developed. Okay. Next is second generation computer. The year is 1956 to 1963. Okay, transistors were used in place of vacuum tubes. Okay, this is the translator beta. Okay, in the second generation we were used in place of vacuum tubes in second generation computer. Okay, हमने ट्रांजिस्टर को यूज किया था इन द सेकेंड जनरेशन में. किसके प्लेस में बेटा? वैक्यूम ट्यूब्स, क्योंकि वैक्यूम ट्यूब्स क्या थी? big in size and the speed भी क्या थी उसकी? slow थी. So that purpose we were used transistor. Okay, they were smaller in size. small size छोटा है ना, वो क्या थी? इतनी बड़ी बड़ी ट्यूब्स थी. ये क्या है? small in size. Okay, and the faster and the cheaper than the first generation. Okay, example of the second generation is IBM 1401 etc. Second generation computer moved from the machine language to assembly language. Okay, in the second generation में हम क्या यूज़ किया हमने? assembly language means कुछ कोडिंग फॉर्म में होती है assembly language, उसको यूज़ किया. और जो फर्स्ट जनरेशन में थी उसमें हमने क्या यूज़ किया था? हमने मशीन लैंग्वेज. Okay, machine language is low level language and the assembly language is also a low language, but in assembly language we were used some code form. Okay, the next is third generation computer and the year is 1964 to 1971. Okay, the third generation computer were generally much smaller in size and their earlier version. Okay, integrated circuits were used in these computers for the first time. Look at here beta, third generation computer like this. Okay, this is the keyboard and this is the mouse. Okay, keyboard and the monitor were used as an input and output device. The speed was increased as the computer become more efficient. Efficient है ना बेटा? Example of third generation computers are IBM 360, Apple IIc, etc. Okay, in the first generation vacuum tubes were used. In the second generation transistor were used. In the third generation integrated circuits chips use करिए हमने. ठीक है? Okay, you just try to solve this exercise. Okay, it is very easy for you. You can solve easily. The next is the fourth generation computer 1971 टू प्रेजेंट जो हम ये यूज़ कर रहे हैं बेटा. हैव यू सीन ना इन योर लैब? आपके कंप्यूटर लैब में यही है ना बेटा. 4th जनरेशन कंप्यूटर. ओके, 4th जनरेशन कंप्यूटर यूज द LSI मीन्स लार्ज स्केल इंटीग्रेशन and microprocessor. Okay, it unable to fit millions of components on a small chip. एक छोटी सी चिप में millions of computer components put कर enable कर सकते हैं हम. Okay, the Intel 4004 is a microprocessor. Microprocessors are integrated circuits. क्या है जो माइक्रोप्रोसेसर वो क्या है? इंटीग्रेटेड सर्किट है जिसमें क्या है? दैट कंटेन थाउजेंड्स एंड मिलियंस ऑफ ट्रांजिस्टर. एक छोटी सी चिप में, ठीक है, उसमें क्या है? 1000 एंड मिलियंस ऑफ ट्रांजिस्टर्स हैं. ओके, दीज कंप्यूटर वर मोर पावरफुल एंड इंक्लूड इनपुट आउटपुट कंट्रोल्स एंड अ सेंट्रल प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट CPU. दिस इज अ CPU and the CPU is the brain of the computer. You know ना बेटा. Examples are Intel 404 and Intel 8080. Okay. The last generation is 5th generation computer. The 5th generation computer are only in the minds of advanced research scientists. ठीक है, जो 5th generation है वो किसके माइंड में? साइंटिस्ट के माइंड में, फॉर द एडवांस रिसर्च के लिए, मीन्स आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंसी के लिए. ओके, एंड आर बीइंग टेस्टेड आउट इन द लेबोरेटरीज. These computer will be under artificial intelligence. For example, a robot. Robot movie देखी हुई है बेटा, तो वो क्या है? 5th जनरेशन. ओके, तो साइंटिस्ट है वो भी क्या कर रहे हैं? इसमें रिसर्च कर रहे हैं. तो जो 5th जनरेशन है वो किसके अंडर आती है? आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस के अंदर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अ रोबोट. ओके बेटा, सो you will read this generation, all 5 generation. Okay, after that try to solve some exercise. Okay, thank you.